Traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to the FibMatrix Trader Room. It's Tuesday, September 15th. We might get a reversal here. Alright, so let's look at the 5-minute. Oh, great, guys. Look at this. We might have an actual nice reversal. We're at white zone phase at 2. We have a collapsed white zone. We're getting the cross. Alright, this is setting up nice. What we need to do now is wait for a move back up to this crossed box here. Now, that being said, let's look at this. We might have to take a 1 minute off this pound yen here, guys. Look at this thing. I got to do it. Alright, I'm going to sell pound yen in the meantime. We got clear roads. We're making lower lows, lower highs. We're dynamic here. So if I want to do this a tight stop, then I would just use this previous high as a stop. Let's look at this reversal and see what our risk reward is. To me, it looks almost like 1-to-1 or close to it. So it depends on where we get in. There's only a minute left, and we are close to getting dynamic here. Right here, your stop has to be above the highest point. So it's this candle. It would be 25.9, right? And a candle to stop out, I've got candle close option set to true. So it would need a full 5-minute candle to close. It can spike above it temporarily and come back. You're still safe. Even though that might be a painful feeling having it up that high against you. But at 26, if we entered it, say 96, just for easy math, it'll probably be a little lower. Then that would give us a 30 pip stop, and really only, let me zoom out to 60, 65 from that. Actually a 30 pip for 30 pip. Yeah, so that's pretty good. It's 30 for 30. It's 1-to-1. It's not bad. It's not bad. So that's what we're looking for. We've got the candle close. All we really need is a break below the candle. So what's by a pip? I usually like there to be a full pip of breakage. The low is 94, and we're basically there. We're at 93. Okay, let's do it, guys. Let's sell it. We're at the dynamic entry, so we are now waiting for a move to this L7 here, and we'll stop out if we make a new high. Alright, 5-minute reversal on cable. We didn't get the alert, so we're going to do it manually. And obviously pound yen helps because pound weakness will help pound dollar go down. So any pound yen down movement's a good thing, especially if dollar yen goes up at that same time, because that would be dollar strength. Dollar strength would cause also pound dollar to come down. Looking good on pound yen anyway. Now a nice target would be this 63. We got a 3-column roadblock there. That would also give us 20 pips on the trade. Got to be patient on these now. This could take, 10 candles. 10 candles would be 50 minutes, almost an hour. 12 candles per an hour on this chart. So this has easily been an hour, plus this move. It could take another hour to get down there. Slowing down. Should I take 7? I can always get back in 5-6 pips higher. Let's take a few. The way to do it. Scott took 7. Oh, nice, Jeffrey. So Jeffrey took 8. Scott took 7 on that. Very good. All right, let's go. Man, we should have hung on to pound yen. Oh, thanks, Dwayne. Look, we're coming up to the target there. Just about almost there. Almost there. That's my exit. Pathetic. Got in on a dynamic. I mean, it's coming down. Dollar's getting stronger. Here we go, guys. 17. All right. 65. We're 10 pips away. Now it's not a 30 pip target. It's only 25, I guess. Oh, yeah, because we got the spread. Plus, we're 2 pips away from the 5 there. So let's get a nice bearish candle close here. Market's taking a little beating. There goes pound yen even lower. Let's go plus 19 on. There's 20. Here we go. Come on, push. Do I gotta take it? There we go. I was waiting for it to get into lower lows. Alright, let me take it, I guess. I'll take 20 pips. Alright, very good. That's 32 pips on the session. 3.2% account growth on the day. And it's not even 10 o'clock yet. And our other trade is now basically the pound yen. It would have been up 22 at this point, and it's hitting our 3-column roadblock. Now, I wouldn't be surprised. Ours would be up about 22 as well because we were in at 93. And that looks like it wants to hit this L7. And that's the goal for these reversals. But we got most of the trade. Looks like it will eventually hit it. Here it goes. There it is, guys. Oh, look, now it's going to give us a bounce. Here we are. We're at this bounce trade here. And I got it on full auto, so this bounce is probably going to enter, guys. And it's got a 1 minute candle. It needs a 1 minute dynamic. Okay, we got in on the 1 minute dynamic, which was there's the bullish candle, there's the break of the bullish candle. So we're in. It was at an hour box, had a 3-column roadblock L7 at the time. I think it still does. It had 10 pips back to the 1. Let me zoom. I think the bounce trade has a 5-minute box target, but it only has like a 15 pip hard target as well. So if it hits 15 pips before it hits 91, which is close, it's right around the same spot. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. A little nervous. It's a 1 minute, trend right here. I mean, I wouldn't take it because you got a lot of stuff in the way. But if we can't get over the 1 minute box, maybe I just take some pips and be done with it. Just take them as a gift. All right, here we go. There's a quick 5. Let's see if dollar falls here. Then cable might be ready to come back up. There's 5 and change. 7 almost. 8 pips would give us 40 on the session. But I don't want to get stuck to just arbitrary numbers like that. We'll take the trade for what it's worth. And right now, if we can't get over the 1 minute box, we should probably consider getting out. I think I'm going to take this off. There's 5. Why not? Take an easy 5. That was a gift. Alright, so that makes what, 37 pips, a little over? Oh, and it's even higher now. Look, there's plus 10 right there, and I just held on another second. There's the target almost. Yeah, there's the target on the bounce trade. I didn't hold on, but that's the target. There would have been a plus 15 trade right there.